Bhamla, spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Naveen Kumar, spokesperson of the NCP, the Ajit Pawar faction, Clyde Castro is national spokesperson of the NCP, and Chandrasekhar Jha is spokesperson of the Shiva Sena of the Uddhav Thackeray faction, and Dr. Uday Nirgurkar is a senior journalist joining us as well. Thank you all very much. हम सब ने हितेंद्र जी की तो बात सुन ली है, आप सब ने हितेंद्र जी की बात सुन ली है. For obvious reasons, Asif Bhamla, I am coming to you first. ये क्या हो गया भाई?
क्या हुआ? ये तो हितेंद्र जी ने स्वयं अपनी बातों में बयान किया ना कि कितना सीजर हुआ है. ढंडोरे पीटे हैं 5-5 करोड़ के, निकले हैं कहते हैं 9 लाख, हाथ में कुछ पत्तियां दिख रही है नोटों की. ठीक है, माना ये गलत है, माना ये चुनाव प्रणाली के खिलाफ है, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के विपरीत है, कोई बात नहीं है ना. आप जांच पड़ताल करिए, इलेक्शन कमीशन जो है वो इसकी जांच करे, पुलिस जांच करे. पुलिस ने एफआईआर 3 रजिस्टर किया, लेकिन पैसों के रजिस्टर नहीं किया उन्होंने. ये जो 3 रजिस्टर हुआ है, दैट इज वायलेटिंग ऑफ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. And if that code of conduct is violated, then certainly even if he is Vinod Tawde or if he is any leader of BJP, if the law has to take a course, let it take its course. बट इतना बड़ा बतंगड़ खोदा पहाड़ निकला चूहा, साला ये तो चूहा भी नहीं, झिंगुर भी नहीं है. आपने 5 करोड़ 50 करोड़ की बात. अब क्या है कि एमवीए को और ये जो हमारे कांग्रेस के जो लोग हैं, ये इतने हजारों करोड़ों के स्कैम से परिचित रहे हैं कि ये यदि कुछ लाखों का भी हो तो उसे करोड़ों बना के दे देते हैं, करोड़ों का हो तो उसको अबजों बना देते हैं. फिर कोई बात नहीं है, अभी घोड़ा मैदान सामने है. अब चुनाव नजदीक आ चुका है, चुनाव का अंजाम दिख रहा है, तो और कुछ वजह तो दिख भी नहीं रही है. तो अब क्या करे, खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे. तो चलो भाई, विनोद तावड़े इज नेशनल लीडर, उनकी प्रतिमा मलिन करे. एक नेशनल लीडर है, अगर उस बस्ती उस इलाके से गुजर रहा है, उन्होंने लोकल लीडर से फोन किया, भाई मैं आगे मिलना चाह रहा हूँ, आपसे बात करना चाह रहा हूँ. और बात करने पर अगर कुछ कार्यकर्ताओं से मुलाकात की, ठीक है, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के चलते मैं हितेंद्र जी का समर्थन करता हूं कि उन्होंने कहा कि भाई दूसरे इलाके के नेता के वहां क्या कर रहे थे, होटल बुक किया उन्होंने, वो बात एक अलग बात है. लेकिन इतना बड़ा स्कैम, इतना बड़ा राय का पहाड़ आपने चला के पूरी हेडलाइन न्यूज ले लिया. तो इससे और इसमें भी भाजपा का प्रचार होगा, आप चिंता ना करें.
नहीं, वो तो बिल्कुल बात ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट इवन इफ the charges are proven to be true, it will change the fate of this election or any election. Because Asif Bhamla ji, fact is and truth is, as a citizen of India, I can tell you, we are acclimatized to political corruption. और हम सबको पता है कि elections में ये होता ही है. But anyhow, I will get Clyde Castro to respond to you. Clyde Castro, national spokesperson of the NCP, essentially the BJP is saying, खोदा पहाड़ निकली चूहिया. They are saying आपने तो 5 करोड़ रुपए बोले थे, 5 करोड़ रुपए हैं का? And this is nothing. Violation of Model Code of Conduct ही तो है, 9 लाख रुपए ही तो है, या 19 लाख रुपए ही तो है. What's the big deal?
It's not a big thing. No, so Shreya, hear me out. Asif Bhamla, the way he's talking, as if like big deal, you know, money was found, whether it was 9 lakhs or 19 lakhs or 5 crore, doesn't matter. Let it go on, because he's assured that, you know, nothing is going to happen. They can do whatever they want to do. Now, the point here is very simple. Mr. Hitendra Thakur is right here. The man has given you absolute details. He's spoken about diaries. He's spoken about people there across the hotel waiting, giving money. He's spoken about how a senior BJP leader called him and gave him the tip about this 5 crores that have been distributed. Here is a man who's telling you absolutely the way it turned out to be. And these people are talking as if nothing happened. Now, let me tell you one more thing. Hear me out clearly. Okay? They are talking about only 9 lakh rupees was found. I was on another debate, and they said, you know, they booked the hotel. They had to pay, make a payment of 9 lakh rupees. 9 lakh rupees in cash. What happened to Digital India? We go to a bank, and if you are going to deposit 50,000 rupees, they will ask you your phone number, your PAN card number, everything is asked. And here you have BJP leaders carrying 9 lakh rupees cash along with them. The police is saying 19 lakhs. Then the income tax also should come into play. Where did that 9 lakh come from? Where did 19 lakhs come from? These questions needs to be asked. And to make things worse, The FIR filed against Mr. Vinod Tawade was only for model code of conduct, nothing to do with the cash. So if things are there, see, it doesn't sound like child's play. Okay, the way Mr. Hitendra Thakur has explained, it is not child's play. There's serious play in this whole thing. You know, the fact is, serious action should be taken. If proven guilty, Mr. Vinod Tawade should be arrested, because this is against the model code of conduct, this is against the law, and in a democracy you are trying to buy votes. That's what is happening. So BJP can go on and say that, khoda pad, nikla chua and all, but the thing is, the problem here is that they are assured that nothing will happen and the people are in trouble, because that's what they're trying. So I think now the Election Commission needs to set an example and prove that they are neutral, they will not favor any side, and the police also has to come into play now.
Okay, but here's the point. The charges have to be proven. That's the point. Mr. Tawade, since morning, no senior BJP leader has come out to defend him, Mr. Bhabla. But Mr. Tawade has come out repeatedly. Every time a press person has gone to him, he's given a soundbite saying, I was there just by the way. I just dropped in to have a cup of tea because, my workers wanted to speak to me, and there is nothing wrong with that. And essentially, this is an entire conspiracy that has been cooked up by the opposition.